Every batch begins with carefully selected ingredients. Fresh eggs, premium vegetable oil, and lemon juice are thoroughly inspected to the highest quality before production starts. The eggs are automatically cracked and separated. Only the rich golden yolks are used to create mayonnaise, giving it its smooth texture, rich flavor, and creamy consistency.
The egg yolks are blended while the oil is added slowly. Vinegar and mixed in with precise measurements, creating the smooth emulsion that gives mayonnaise its rich, creamy texture.
Through a high-pressure homogenizer, this process breaks down tiny oil droplets evenly, producing the smooth, thick, and creamy text that consumers expect in every jar. The mayonnaise is carefully temperature-controlled to ensure food safety while preserving its rich flavor and creamy consistency. Every batch is continuously monitored before moving to the filling line. The finished mayonnaise is automatically filled into sterilized jars and squeeze bottles. Every container receives the exact amount, ensuring consistent quality and reducing waste. After passing the sealing inspection, every container is automatically labeled. Advanced vision systems verify each label to ensure perfect alignment.